Hi, it's Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and today we got some really nice magnet clasps in, and magnets are really nice to use because they're easy to open. However, they do have a slight problem with coming off if they get stuck to your shopping cart or something like that. So this is one way you can prevent losing your pieces with magnet clasps on the end. What we're going to do is add a safety chain to it. Okay, so we have a couple of jump rings, half inches in length, not too much longer because it'll get in your way. What you have to do is you want to open the jump rings like this. I have my chain on my flat nose plier and I'm going to swivel the ring open. Then we're going to hook the jump ring on. And for this one, I can actually hook the ring into the loop of the clasp, like so. This is a knotted piece, and the string is tied to the loop of the clasp. And we're going to swivel that shut. So you can use a decorative chain like we have here, or you can use just something really delicate and dainty if you don't want. I'm going to put on the other side of the chain. Attach it through the chain here and hook it through the loop of the clasp. And we will close that. And there we have it. Our clasp now has a chain on it. Just like that. It's kind of crazy looking. Okay, and we're going to do it one more time. This piece has been string on soft flex, so you can either choose to attach it through the wire protectors here or through the loop of the clasp. Let's do this one on the wire protectors. Go. Second side. There we go.